Today we are going to enable the remote desktop. You know how to use remote desktop, but you cannot enable this one. Just simply right click on this PC if you are using Windows 10. Then you will see such a kind of options that you can see here. But if you are using Windows 11, then you will see the same option. But no worries, just simply click on properties. After clicking here, you will have so many options. Just scroll down. If you're using Windows 11, then you will see this option like remote desktop. Or if you cannot find that one, just simply search on here. Okay, so after going to the remote desktop, click on it, and then you can see it has been toggled off. Now simply click on yes or on, and then enable remote desktop. The prompt will come here. Simply click on confirm. After clicking confirm, you can see the change happened. It has been enabled, and now you can change your PC name. Going to the properties again, you have to know how to connect, because without your IP address, which is called public IP, you cannot communicate with anyone from outside of your network. So you have to ensure that the person with whom you are trying to connect, that person is using public IP or real IP, which is almost the same. So then you can communicate. Other than that, if your computer or that computer is in the same network, then you can connect using the local IP as well, or which is called private IP. So thank you so very much for watching this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again.